Hello engineers, an important update is coming up from the National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting under Ministry of Earth Sciences. They have released the different vacancies for 4 major projects which are listed here in the notification. You can visit the official website and there you can find out this detailed notification. So they have released the post for this project on numerical modeling of weather and climate, BIMSTEC Center for Weather and Climate, the National Monsoon Mission, and the fourth project is High Performance Computing to carry out research. The important thing here is you have to do the online application, and this online application should be completed within 21 days from the release of the notification. Let's look into the different vacancies that they have released. So here is the table in which they have mentioned about the different vacancy. The first position is Scientist 3. 5 vacancies are released for unreserved category. So a total of 5 vacancies are there. The upper age limit for applying is 45 years. Second one is Project Scientist 2. Total of 13 vacancies are released for unreserved category and the upper age limit is 40 years for applying. Third one is Project Scientist 1. 1 vacancy is released for unreserved category and the upper age limit of applying is 35 years. Next is Junior Research Fellowship, Senior Research Fellowship and Research Fellowship. Total of 8 vacancies are released for unreserved category and 1 vacancy is released for SC category candidates. A total of 9 vacancy and the upper age limit for applying is 28 years. Next one is Technical Officer. 3 posts are released for the unreserved category and 1 vacancy is released for OBC category. Total of 4 vacancies are there and the upper age limit for applying is 40 years. Next one is Scientific Consultant or Subject Expert. 2 vacancies are released for the unreserved category and 2 vacancies. So total of 2 vacancies are there and the upper age limit is 45 to 65 years. So total of 34 vacancies they have released for different posts. Let's look into this notification further. You can see this is for first post Project Scientist 3 under NMWC scheme. Total number of vacancies are 3. Upper age limit is 45 years and emoluments per month is 78,000 plus HRA, increment of 5% for every 2 years of expertise subject to performance review. Then essential qualification is required. You can see here they have mentioned here bachelor's degree in engineering and technology from a recognized university with at least 60% marks. Other degrees are also relevant. You can just quickly go through it. The second one is here. So this is the desired qualification that they are looking for. You can go for this. The job responsibilities are also mentioned here. Like that, they have mentioned for all the posts. Second one is Project Scientist 3. The upper age limit is 45 years. Again, the emoluments per month is 78,000 plus HRA, increment of 5% for every 2 years of experience subject to performance review. Again, here also the essential qualification required is bachelor's degree in engineering and technology, BE BTech from a recognized university in computer engineering, computer science, information technology or equivalent subject with at least 60% marks equivalent CGPA at the qualifying degree. And 7 years of experience in the relevant field is required for this particular post. Moving ahead with this, these are the desirable qualifications which are required and along with it, some of the job responsibilities are also mentioned here. Then next one is Project Scientist 3 under BCWC scheme. 1 post is released. Upper age limit is 45 years. And you can see this again, the monthly emolument is 78,000 plus HRA plus increment of 5% for every 2 years of experience. Okay, so like this, you can go through the complete PDF they have mentioned for each and every post. So this is a good opportunity, especially for the engineering candidates. Kindly visit the official website. You can join a Telegram group. There you can provide you with this PDF. So you can go in through this PDF in detail and apply for this post before the closing date. So I hope this information is relevant for you. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.